Flawless cleansing oil is glorious to use. So very importantly, you must use it on dry skin. Basically 1.5 pumps really of oil, this gorgeous silky soft oil, applied to dry skin. And as you apply it, work in circular movements and you will feel all the dirt dissolving away. Take it into your neck in round circular movements, all around your face. You can even go over your eyes, absolutely no worry. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then you can choose. Either you remove the oil first and you cleanse again with your normal cleanser, or you take your cleanser and you put it over your flawless cleansing oil. And to remove this is super easy. You're going to use your microfiber cloth again and simply remove the oil. It dissolves fully, so you're going to get no oily residue on your skin or on your beautiful microfiber face cloth. But make sure to remove all oil residue from the skin. Wow, my skin is squeaky clean. And you're ready.